Hi YouTube, this is Howard. I have this LG washer. I have a video on YouTube that gives a step-by-step on how to take the drum out to wash it. Today I have to do it again because it's giving me all of these black flaky stuff. So I will show you the actual steps on how to do it. So the first step I already did is to take off these screws from the back from here. Okay, there are two of them. So they're Phillips screws, so you could take them off. Now you don't need to disconnect the water line, but you should unplug it in case there's some power that runs through it. Now the next step is you want to lift this up from the back and then push it forward like that. And now this whole thing comes off and you can hook it onto something high to give myself some space to work. Alright, let's see. Now the view is blocked. Okay, let me see if you can see it from this end. Okay. Alright, next step is to take the cap off, which I can do. Okay, the cap comes off. Now there's a 10mm bolt in the center, so I'm just gonna take it off here. Okay, and I can already see a lot of gunk in here. Now to get the agitator out, I have these picks from Harbor Freight. I go in. All right. Let me see. There we go. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay. All right. See how dirty this thing is? I'm gonna set this aside. Now there's 6 more of these 10mm bolts that I'm gonna remove. Alright, they're not coming out. And just use a regular wrench here. There we go. Okay, now let's try the impact wrench again. Okay. Now the next step is to pop this thing out. It's fairly straightforward. Okay. And lastly, the drum should just come out. Alright, I guess you should remove this beforehand. And you can see how dirty the drum is. And I'm gonna give it a good clean and put it back. Alright, I used some Mr. Clean to scrub it. And also use a pressure washer to really blast it, and it looks great. I cleaned the drum as well. This is as good as I'm gonna get it to be. And now I'm going to put it back together. If you liked this video or found it useful, please press the like button so more people will be able to see it. Thank you so much.